How to check active ads running on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check active ads running on Instagram. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step you'll need to take is open up your Instagram and make sure you're logged in. Then you can go to the search bar and search for whatever you want. So let me just search for any random page. Then after you're on a page, you can then tap on the three dots on the top right. Then head over to About This Account. If that page is currently running any ads, you'll get an option that says Active Ads right here. If you see an active ads option, you can tap on it and you can see all the active ads running on that very Instagram page. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.